Welcome back to my channel, people. Brown Boss JCAL Tours. Now today we'll be doing a short tour starting from Pier 1 Montego Bay through Jimmy Cliff Boulevard or Bottom Road and ending at JCAL Tours. Now JCAL is actually Jamaica Cooperative Automobile and Limousine Tours Limited. It was actually established in 1989 and is a ground transportation company which facilitates a lot of services like shuttle services, airport pickups, excursion, and so on. Alright, so yes, peeps, just come with me right now while we go through Montego Bay. So, as of now, we are approaching Harmony Beach Park, which was recently built, with taxpayers' money. And I actually have a video here on my channel which you can actually browse through and see a full tour of the Harmony Beach Park, a really beautiful scenery of the area. Okay, so come along with me while we actually enter the hip strip. Alright, so yes, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, Bottom Road, as what persons who live in Montego Bay will call it. Montegonians will call it Bottom Road. Alright, so yes, driving through this area, you'll see that the roads, very clean, welcoming, a beautiful scenery here in Montego Bay. Alright, this is actually the tourism hub. So you can just be driving through, walking by, and you'll actually see tourists walking around as well. Even jogging or riding a bicycle, you can spot tourists going around this area. So this is like, as I said, the tourism hub of Montego Bay. Alright, so yes, people, driving through, you'll see like breathtaking views of the sea there, the coast. Alright, so right now we are actually approaching Margaritaville and also Coral Cliff, on either side of the road. These are like hotspots for tourists, really. And we have a little nightclub here, Lounge 2727, which hosts the best nightclub, or one of the best nightclubs here in Montego Bay. Alright, so we'll just driving through the hip strip right now. Alright, you will see on either side either hotels, or you have like stores called like inbound stores where you can go and purchase items. Tourists usually go in and purchase items to bring overseas, Jamaican made items, custom made items by craft persons. Yes, people, so as you can see, the roads here are really clean, well maintained by our wonderful Jamaican people. Alright, so yes, as we drive through, we will definitely see, well, in this area, at some points of the day, you would find a lot of traffic here, well, not much, but especially like certain days of the week, like Fridays, you'll find like a number of traffic in this area. Alright, so yes, we're driving now almost at the airport section, the Montego Bay Sanchez International Airport. Yes, we're almost at that area, people. So towards the right, you have the Summit Police Station. This is where we would actually go to get our police record done. Alright, so if you want to travel overseas or just a police record for doing business here in Jamaica, that's where you would actually go. Alright, so follow along with me while we just drive through. Yeah, now we should be approaching like Airport Road. Yes, if you just drive straight and go like towards your left, you would actually go to the airport. Yes, people, so you'll be driving by and seeing a lot of billboards here along the road. Yes, so you're actually at the airport section now, but we're gonna take the right so we can head on over closer to the flanker area. So you can see the Montego Bay sign that was recently erected, and it cost us a pretty penny, you know, taxpayers' money. But the sign is really pretty when it's night, really colorful. Alright, so now we're actually on the highway, people. Okay, close, we're almost there now. Just a few kilometers to go and we should be at JCAL. Yeah, so as you can see, really beautiful roads that we have here on the highway, and a lush green scenery that you can see on either side. Okay, so we're gonna make a right turn now and go on over as we, get closer to JCAL. Alright, and we also have other tour operators like Juta in this area as well. And if you go down even further, you can go to the Montego Bay examination depot right here in flanker Montego Bay. Alright, so we're just going to go. Then we make a right turn now and head on over to JCAL. So surprisingly, the road here is like really bad, shockingly. Alright, so hopefully they can fix this road so that we can have easy access to this location. Yes, people, really bad roads here. And as all my fellow Jamaicans can attest to, the majority of the roads, for like rural areas, yes, they're really deplorable. Okay, guys, so now we're here at the JCAL Tours. So yes, we have finally reached our destination. Alright, people, so yes, alright, so thank you for staying with me on this journey. Alright, Brown Boss JCAL Tours. Alright, just share, like, subscribe to my channel, and tell somebody about it. So Brown Boss JA Tours, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.